Turn the first screw on the support foot of the platform upwards. The fixed iron groove of the track is inserted into the support foot of the platform. Tighten the fixing screws. Each platform support foot should be equipped with track-facing iron. Place the track on the fixed iron. As shown in the picture, the longer side of the fixed slot is the beginning. Align the fixed iron screw holes of the track. Tighten the hexagonal socket screw. The track should be aligned with the outermost side of the fixed bracket. Note that there is no need to tighten here for easy adjustment later. Lock the screw holes between the track and the track-facing iron with screws. Adjust the track to be parallel to the entire track. Tighten the screws after adjustment is complete. Each track is fixed using the same method. Just keep it parallel and fix the screws in place. Place the track connection sheet between two tracks. Use an Allen tool to tighten the screw. Put the other track on. Lock the screw. Take out the fixed iron bracket and lock it in the position shown in the picture. Lock the sidewall seat in the position shown in the picture. The same operation method is used on the other side as well. After installation, place the standing device on the track. Loosen the screws securing the iron of the standing bracket. Enable the fixed iron to slide upwards. Align the fixed screw holes on the edge of the machine and lock the screws. Please note that an internal hexagonal 10x20 screw must be used here. Use outer hexagon 10x20 screws to fix on the right side. Tighten the fixing screws. Pay attention to the clamping of the upper and lower sides of the sidewall set on the track. Then tighten the fixing screws. The same method is also used on the other side. After fixing the sidewall seat, tighten the iron screws securing the standing bracket. Insert the support pole into the position shown in the video. Open the hook iron on the standing floor. Open the bottom plate. This way, the installation of the standing platform is completed.